Are you a student who is looking to earn some extra cash? Have you considered investing in cryptocurrency? Well, in this video, I will show you how you can make money from cryptocurrency as a student. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin have been making headlines lately, and there's still time for you to jump on the bus. In this video, I will explain some of the ways you can actually earn money from cryptocurrency. So grab a notebook and pen and let's get started. Let's start with a few tips to help you. Tip 1. Do your research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, it's important to do your own research. Look into the history of the currency, its current value, and market trends. This will help you make an informed decision on whether to invest or not. Tip 2. Start small. As a student, you may not have a lot of money to invest. This is why it's important to start small. Invest only what you can afford to lose. As you gain more experience and knowledge, you can gradually increase your investments. Tip 3. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's important to diversify your portfolio by investing in different cryptocurrencies. This reduces your risk and increase your chances of making profit. Tip 4. Stay updated. The cryptocurrency market is consistently changing. It's important for you to be updated with the latest news and market trends. Join our Telegram community using the link in the description below to stay informed. Tip 5. Exercise patience. Investing in cryptocurrency is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and patience to see a return on your investment. Don't panic if the market dips. Stay calm and hold on to your investment. By following these tips, you can make money from cryptocurrency as a student. Now, let's talk on how to make money as a student from cryptocurrency. Number 1. Staking. Staking is a popular way to earn passive income from cryptocurrency. It involves holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency in your wallet for a particular period of time. In return, you earn interest on your investment. Some popular cryptocurrency that allows staking include Ethereum, Cardano, USDT, and Polkadot. Now would be a good time to subscribe to the YouTube channel and get more knowledge in the crypto space. You can stake cryptocurrency on the decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap or a centralized exchange like Bybit, Binance, and lots more. Another way to make money from cryptocurrency is crypto savings account. Crypto savings accounts are another way to make passive income from cryptocurrency. These accounts allows you to earn interest on cryptocurrency holdings. Some popular cryptocurrency accounts include Bybit, BlockFi, and Nexo. See the crypto savings account like your regular bank account where you get interest every month, but cryptocurrency interest is higher. The third way to make money as a student is through sports trading. Sports trading is one of the easiest way to make money from cryptocurrency. It involves you buying, selling, and holding an asset. A simple strategy is buying when the price is low and selling when the price is high. You can also decide to hold the asset for a longer period of time to earn more depending on the price movement. Investing in cryptocurrency comes with a risk. It's important to never invest more than you can afford to lose. Only invest money that you can afford to lose without causing financial hardship. By following these tips and methods to make money from cryptocurrency, you can increase your chances of making money from cryptocurrency as a student. Remember to consider staking, crypto savings, and sports trading. We also have what we call crypto derivatives, which are advanced and you can lose your money faster without much knowledge. If you enjoyed this video, kindly hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so YouTube can recommend this video to more students.